Mark 7:37 is the concluding verse of a narrative where Jesus heals a man who was deaf and had a speech impediment. The verse says, "People were overwhelmed with amazement. He has done everything well," they said. "He even makes the deaf hear and the mute speak." In Mark 7:37, we witness a moment of profound awe and wonder as the people witness one of the many miracles performed by Jesus. In this particular instance, a man who was both deaf and unable to speak was touched by the transformative power of Christ. The statement, "He has done everything well," is a testament not only to the miraculous healing, but also to the overarching theme of Jesus' ministry. In every aspect of his life, teachings, and miracles, Jesus displayed perfection and excellence. He brought healing to the broken, restoration to the lost, and hope to the despairing. The ability of Jesus to make the deaf hear and the mute speak goes beyond the physical healing. It speaks to his authority over the brokenness that sin has brought into the world. The physical healing serves as a visible sign of the spiritual healing and restoration that Christ offers to all who come to him in faith. As we reflect on Mark 7:37, let us consider the areas in our lives where we may feel spiritually deaf or unable to express ourselves in the ways that honor God. Just as Jesus brought healing to the deaf and mute man, he can bring healing and restoration to our spiritual lives. Let us marvel at the goodness of Jesus, recognizing that in him we find the source of all healing and restoration. May this verse remind us that, indeed, he has done everything well. In our moments of brokenness, may we turn to the one who can make the deaf hear and the mute speak, bringing wholeness to every aspect of our lives.